let's take a look at this problem. Here, a telecom company offers a nation 1450 monthly plan that includes 1450 anytime minutes and unlimited nights and weekends for $90. Each additional anytime minute or fraction of a minute costs the user 55 cents. If a customer subscribes to this plan, how many anytime minutes can she use each month while keeping her total cost to no more than $150 before taxes? So we first need to think about what our variable is going to represent. And that's going to represent the number of additional anytime minutes. And it's so important to tell what your variable represents, because what your equation looks like depends upon what your variable represents. Now notice I'm letting my variable represent the additional anytime minutes, the number of additional anytime minutes. So the cost each month, so this is our monthly cost. If we are using this company, it's automatically going to be $90 plus 55 cents every time we use an additional anytime minute. And we want that cost to be less than or equal to 155. So I'm going to solve this inequality. So at most means less than or equal to. So I'm going to subtract 90 from both sides of this inequality. That gives me 0.55x less than or equal to 65. And then to isolate the x on the left side of this inequality, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.55 or 55 hundredths. And when I do this division, I get approximately 118.182. So that means x needs to be less than or equal to, since I want a whole number, 118. So if I went to 119, that would take my cost above $155. So this is, now I have to keep in mind that this is the number of additional minutes. So the anytime minutes needs to be less than or equal to that $1,450 that's included with the $90 plus the 118 additional minutes. So the anytime minutes needs to be less than or equal to 1,568 minutes. So that's the value that I'm looking for here, 1,568 anytime minutes. So what your inequality looks like depends on what you let your variable represent. I chose to do it this simple way of letting my x be the number of additional anytime minutes. But I have to keep in mind when I find that x that that's just the anytime minutes. That's just the additional anytime minutes. I'm actually interested in the total anytime minutes. So that value I found needs to be added to the 1450. And that's how I would work this.